And the second hour of the
broadcast. Just loves to steal the bell. Want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Wednesday, May 23rd, 2012. What a day. What a day, can you say? Monster reversal. Rumors going around that Merkel agreeing to some sort of a deposit insurance mechanism for European banks, causing most of the rally, in my humble opinion. Sometimes all you need is a little spark when you're in oversold territory. And I'll tell you, we had the doji, we came down here, and again, one of the things I said, probably going to come in, but a nice reversal. I think the euro is going to get down to 25.50? No. I did not, but euro is certainly reversing nicely as we speak. S&P is closing. I call this my propeller pattern. You got your doji, shooting star, you got your hammer. Now we take out certain levels. We get above 1330. Ooh, forget about it. Gold also making a nice comeback as well. But I'll tell you, a lot of the numbers, I thought the London numbers sucked. But again, it's all about the euro. Big comeback in gold. CBI order expectations out of London, terrible. Retail sales down 2.3%, terrible. Yet euro sterling just doesn't want to rally. And I certainly think the 79.50 is going to hold. I still like euro sterling on the long side. I think the euro dollar, that should be it. Even though we took out the lows, I think that should be it. Damn close. And you notice how we took out these lows here as well. We're getting a little bit on the oversold side, don't you think? And we nailed this line here almost. Just about. I thought we hit it. Oh, interesting. On this chart we didn't. Huh. I would like to have seen that. We didn't get it. Industrial new orders up 1.8% for the Eurozone. Very impressive. Japan, no stimulus, so dollar yen came right back down. Euro yen cracking through par. Oh, baby. Big support level there. I think it's all about the European summit tonight. They're having dinner in the United States. You see this dollar index. And the question is, will they or won't they? They say nothing. Look out below. We're going right back down. They say nothing. They don't even have to announce the program implementation of. All they have to do is say, we are open to discussing it. And the markets will explode. Dollar index on the daily chart certainly showing a little bit of a tail. Could have topped out a little bit for now. Monster breakout, though, in the Dixie. But again, I would think, given the market reaction today, given the reversal we had today, that we stole. A little pullback. And again, we take a look at some of these other pairs. But again, in particular, the euro. We'll see where we can close now. Listen, they get the sucker trading at 126.20 even. It'll look a lot different. The tail will be a lot longer. Oh, baby. Canadian retail sales on the core side sucked. Dollar Canada. Well, let's look at dollar yen first. Dollar yen reversing again. No stimulus, no soup for the dollar yen bulls. You would think this baby heads lower. But certainly, obviously, very oversold given that big rally we had in February. As long as we don't take out this level right here, 79.10, I think this dollar yen looking more like a buy. But again, bond yields continue to suck. You need U.S. bond yields to go higher. They're not. We had record low yields in European bond sales. German. Wow. Look at this dollar Canada. Nice reversal. Got to 103 too. Little toppy. Looks like it's going to come in. We got trade balance out of New Zealand, budget, and HSBC flash China manufacturing number. Remember, HSBC was at 49.3. Big number. 10:30 p.m. Eastern. Let me tell you something. You get a good number over 50, and the Europeans say something, Merkel, the Germans say something positive, we could be up huge. 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 Sterling certainly looks terrible. One of the bright spots of the day. Not closing very well. I think this should continue to be a hedge short against other USD shorts. Sterling, again, to me, tell you, talking possible big terrorist attack for the Olympics. That would suck. Look at some of the other pound Swiss. Rallying here. I still like it short. Sell any pop. Gets up to 50 again. Looks good to the downside. Even dollar Swiss to me, while it certainly looks like it's breaking out, a little bit of resistance here. Say a lot. As long as we don't take out today's highs by much, maybe 96 stop, I'm looking short. I'm short now. I think the Germans, eins, Svein, maybe give in. They're so freaking stubborn. Pound Aussie, big reversal after taking out 62. 130 pip reversal. You got to love Pound Aussie short now. Pound Kiwi also. Nice reversal. Oh, baby. Even took it out, cleared the freaking tower. And now we're negative. Unchanged. Triple roll, too. So I think they probably into 5 o'clock continue to sell these suckers off. Then you get a pop. And that's what you want to sell. Again, if you believe that the markets are going up, Aussie, look at the hammer. Oh, baby. And the round trip. Look at the round trip. A full bloody round trip. Almost to the pip. 97. We were just at 108. Like it never even happened. I think we bounced big here. I think the Aussie looks great. They're still at, what, 2.5%? Kiwi also. I mean, come on. Look at the hammer. I love it. Got to. Got to, baby. And again, you know, one of the strategies that we at Premium had today was because the dinner is tonight, the rally couldn't happen until the end of the day. And that's sure enough what happened. So Premium, we were light. I mean, I tried nibbling on the euro a little bit, but no way. It was too early. Too early. I'll tell you some of the Euro Aussie reversed nicely today. Outside candle. This baby looks good to the downside. Absolutely. A lot of the Euro Kiwi. To the downside. Very toppy. And, of course, Euro Swiss goes nowhere. Why should it? I'll tell you, this SNB, gosh knows how much they're buying to keep this sucker up. Gosh only knows. Amazing. Take a look at the Aussie yen. Could have had a nice bottom. Again, trying to hold this level. Big support there. Another one that's come down almost 1,000 pips. Hard to be short these things given their levels so low. But again, so tonight, Asia, very important to see headlines coming from the EU summit held in the United States. Gotta love it. And this euro, while as terrible as it looks, and again, when you measure the move, we should probably go lower because we went right 126.50. We did this yesterday. 128 and change. We're looking at 124.50. So you get no news. You get the futures down, meaning no news, meaning they don't say anything good. and you get an HSBC manufacturing number that sucks, look out below. Now, we do have a lot of numbers in Europe. A lot of numbers in Europe. Final GDP out of Germany. We have flash services. French, German IFO as well. Remember the zoo? No precursor for the IFO. More important. Tonight, big number. If we get revised GDP out of London, that could be revised weaker. And then, of course, U.S. session, we get some good numbers. Oh, baby. Durable goods, unemployment claims. Draghi speak at 9 a.m. That should be interesting. Now, remember, durable goods was a freaking disaster last month. Headline was down 4%. You could see a big reversal there. You could see a good number. How would the markets like that? I'll tell you, Dolly M would like that. As well as good unemployment claims. We did have Bullard speak today. Cox Lakota spoke today. Cox Lakota indicating more stimulus. That could have been part of the reason for the rally as well. But Bullard pretty much said no. Last I checked, Bullard doesn't go on to the FOMC until 2013. So big deal. Let's see if we even make it there to 2013. So again, I think we bottomed. I know the bear is a bull, but at these levels, come on. Euro's gone down 700 pips, pretty much in a straight line. We're due for a nice pop. Let's take a look at crude. I have so much time. Crude bouncing also, though. Crude looks, to me, terrible. Certainly 80. $75. If you draw a channel line on crude, 80. This sterling, though, to me, terrible. I mean, cable right in a monster wedge. A multi-year wedge. I think it breaks down. But I don't see how this happens with euro sterling going down like this. So what we really need is euro sterling to pop. Euro go nowhere. Cable will melt. But I certainly think cable, this channel line here, at 153, certainly looks doable. And cable's closing terrible. I think any strength in sterling is a short. Gets up to 157.50, easy. All right, people, remember, follow me on Twitter. Voice of Forex. Follow me on YouTube. Voice of Forex. Hey, I tweeted some nice stuff today. I even posted it on Facebook. The bottom, baby. Andrew.Spanton. Friend request me. And again, if you're looking to try my premium service for free for 1 week, email me at info@globalfxllc.com. Andrew Spanton. Short show today. The only voice you'll ever need. Who truly loves to make you money. Big night tonight. We're either going to be up big or down big, I'll tell you that. And the way we closed, I would think up big.